In this video, you will get the complete setup process of your Orbi whole home tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 system, 840 series. Let's start. First of all, connect your Orbi RBR840 router with your modem. Here, you need to use the Ethernet cable to create a connection. Plug the Ethernet cable into your modem Ethernet port and then connect with yellow port on your router. Now, plug your router and modem into an electrical outlet. Power on both the devices. Now, search and download the Netgear Orbi app on your mobile device from App Store or Play Store. After download, you need to install the app. Open the Wi-Fi connection manager or Wi-Fi connection list. Here, you need to connect your mobile device to your Orbi Wi-Fi network, which is available on the list. Connect your mobile device to Orbi RBR840 Wi-Fi network using a username and password, which is available in the back side label of your router. Then launch the Orbi app. Now log into your app and then tap Set up an Orbi. Now, tap Enable Camera and Scan. Then you need to scan the QR code, located on your Orbi RBR840 router's backside label and then tap Continue. Then connect your modem again with Orbi router, and click on Ethernet is connected. Now, wait for the Orbi router's LED lights turn solid white. Then connect your phone to the Orbi router's Wi-Fi network. Here you need to find the SSID and then connect with using default password. Now, click Next button. Follow the on-screen instruction, where you need to type the admin password of your Orbi router. Then, click Next. Now, select your security question and provide the answers. Your Orbi RBR840 router setup is completed. Now you can set up or connect your RBS840 satellites. Here you need to plug your satellites into a power source. Then wait for around 2 minutes, then tap on, they are plugged in. Now it will ask you to discover in background. Click on OK, got it. It will take up to 10 to 15 minutes to connect your satellite with the router. After a few minutes, your satellite will connect. Now, test the connection. Your Orbi router and satellite setup is completed. If you are facing any issue to set up Orbi whole home, tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 router RBR840 and RBS840 satellite, then you can reach us.